You want to speak English in your daily life but don't know what sentences to use? Do you feel stuck when you try to talk, even though you understand English? Then this is your complete speaking practice session. Today, you will practice daily use English sentences that you can use at home, at work, and in real-life conversations. Do not just listen. Repeat every sentence. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. I am awake. I just woke up. I feel sleepy. I need to get up. I am getting ready. I am brushing my teeth. I am washing my face. I am taking a shower. I am getting dressed. I am ready now. I am making tea. I am having breakfast. The food is ready. This tastes good. I am eating slowly. I am in a hurry. I am getting late. I need to leave now. I am going outside. I am on my way. I am going to work. I am going to the market. I will be back soon. I am coming back. I am at home. I am feeling relaxed. I am a bit tired. I need some rest. I am lying down. I am watching TV. I am using my phone. I am listening to music. Now repeat again. I am at home. I am feeling relaxed. I am a bit tired. I need some rest. Good. Keep going. What are you doing? I am busy right now. I will call you later. Can you wait for a moment? Please give me some time. I will finish this first. I am working on something. I need your help. Can you help me? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You are welcome. Let's go outside. Let's sit here. Let's talk for a while. That sounds good. I like this idea. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. I didn't catch that. Say it again. What do you mean? I got it now. That makes sense. I understand now. I agree with you. I don't agree. Maybe you are right. Let me think about it. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling thirsty. I am very tired. I am feeling better now. How are you? I am doing fine. I am doing great. I am not feeling well. What happened? Are you okay? Take care of yourself. I will do it later. I will try my best. I am working on it. I will let you know. This is interesting. This is amazing. This is not good. This is very helpful. Now let's move to more advanced daily sentences. I am a bit busy right now. I will get back to you soon. Just give me a moment. I will handle this. Let me check this. I am not really sure. I will think about it. I will let you know later. That sounds like a good idea. I really like this. I am feeling quite tired. I need to take a break. I will finish this quickly. I am almost done. Just a little more. Now repeat these again. I am almost done. Just a little more. I need to take a break. I will finish this quickly. Good. Keep practicing. Now let's practice small conversations. Hello, how are you? I am doing great, thank you. What are you doing? I am just working on something. Are you free right now? I am a bit busy, but I will call you later. That's fine. Talk to you soon. Now another conversation. Where are you going? I am going to the market. What will you buy? I will buy some fruits. That sounds good. Yes, I like fresh food. Now let's move to daily expressions. I am on my way. I will be there soon. I am running late. Sorry for the delay. No problem at all. I completely understand. That makes sense. I didn't realize that. Now I get it. Now repeat. I completely understand. That makes sense. Now I get it. Very good. Now let's go deeper with longer sentences. I am a bit tired today because I worked a lot. I am learning English because I want to improve my speaking. I am happy because I achieved my goal. I am busy right now, so I will call you later. Repeat these slowly. I am busy right now, so I will call you later. I am learning English because I want to improve. Good. Now let's practice describing your day. Today I woke up early. I had my breakfast. I started my work. I practiced English. I am feeling good now. Now repeat this in your own words. This is how you build real speaking. Now remember one important thing. Do not just memorize these sentences. Use them in your daily life. When you wake up, say, I am awake. When you eat, say, I am eating. When you feel tired, say, I am tired. This is how English becomes natural. Now final practice. Repeat after me. I speak English every day. I use these sentences daily. I am improving step by step. Again. I speak English every day. I use these sentences daily. I am improving step by step. Now feel the confidence. Keep practicing these sentences daily. Repeat them again and again. And slowly, you will notice that your speaking is improving. Your confidence will grow. Your sentences will become natural. And one day, you will speak English without thinking.